I started the business back when I was 24, 25, so I've just been learning myself. But having somebody to implement new ways of working and new structures has definitely helped me as a business owner. Every day felt like I was rolling into one. Every hour felt like I was rolling into one. I felt like I was working 12, 14 hours and not really catching up. I wasn't nowhere near as productive as what I am now. Yeah, 100% took work home with me as well. Yeah, prior to coaching. I felt like I needed somebody there to help me through that and for me to kick the business on and get the right structures in place. And with a business coach, I know that they're not just working with me, they're working with other business and entrepreneurs. So they're getting ideas and tips from those businesses which I felt could implement in mine. So it's more the fact that somebody looking from the outside in and see where we can make improvements. But definitely now we're seeing some major improvements within the company since I've had coaching back starting end of last year. Obviously it's been a difficult year with COVID. We're really confident that sort of next year we're going to be looking at 30 to 4% increase in turnover. And the profit with that as well, yeah. My days are more structured, work's at work and home life is home life, so 100% my daily working life is a lot better now. Well, my team have been having sessions as well, and I can definitely get a sense now they're feeling a lot more involved, and because I'm thinking more clearly, and I'm less stressed at work now because my time's at better use, it's having a knock-on effect on my staff as well. Me personally, it's helped me a lot, and I'll be honest, more than I was expecting. How I feel at work every day, and how I feel confident in myself knowing that I've got more time now and I can focus on things and have a more of a clear mindset. Don't be concerned about if you have the time, because once you have business coaching, you'll find more time, and there's definitely an ROI on having business coaching.